Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to make my chicken garden spring roll that everyone wants it, everyone likes it. Anyway, this is all the ingredients. I have the honey roasted peanut, and also broccoli coleslaw, that's an angel hair coleslaw, and of course we're gonna need this one for wrapping later. And also this wrapper, this is a Vietnamese wrapper. You can find this one in an Asian store. And then we're gonna need water for this wrapper. I have water right here, cilantro, and I have 2 cups of shredded chicken breast. And these are for sauce. Those vinegar, rice vinegar, fish sauce and soy sauce, and sugar. And some of this garlic goes to, most of them goes to the sauce and the chili. Alright, let's get started. Okay, now let's add a little oil and some butter. This butter is almost gone. I think I'm gonna need no, I need to buy another one of this. This one because it's wiggling. Then we'll drop some of the garlic. And now the chicken. Just cook it like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Now we'll add the Jamaica. We call this in our Philippines, or in our country, the Philippines, is singkamas, right? And now let's add some, only 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. What are you cooking, Anna? What are you cooking? I just put on a black pepper. I already used it. And some black peppers. Just cook this one like 3 minutes to 4 minutes. Now let's add the coleslaw. Wow, that's a lot. I should have used the bigger one though. Just cook this one for 2 minutes. Just mix it well. Now let's start. Let's drop also the coleslaw, the angel hair coleslaw. Alright. And then let's cook it like another 2 minutes and turn off your heat. I should have used the other one. Put your fire on the medium low. And then you can adjust your sodium if you want a little bit, because this one is not really salty because we have a sauce for this. Okay, turn up your heat and just keep mixing them. Okay, now let's make the sauce. I already cut all the chilies right here. So that was the rice vinegar and the fish sauce. And this is soy sauce. And the sugar. And this is like 1/4 cup or 1/4 cup of garlic. Just mix it up until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, this one's ready, so we just have to set this on the side while we are wrapping the vegetables. Okay, there's this peanut. We need to chop this one. Half of it for now. This is like 16 ounces. So this one is enough, not too much because it's good when you bite it to have crunchiness in your mouth. And we just transfer that to the bowl. Some of those, my family have an allergy with peanuts, so I just put the peanuts on the side. Some of them is not like us. Me, I'm not. I love nuts. Now we put the water here. Okay, now let's start wrapping the vegetables. But first we need to dip this one in the water, like not even 5 seconds. I think I need more water there. Okay, and then this, we'll put this one right in the middle, or maybe in the side. And put 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon of vegetables. So some Like this. I'm going to put peanuts. Okay, let's put peanuts in there. Sorry. And cilantro. When you wear gloves, has to be always wet. That way it will not stick to your gloves. Because this wrapper is very delicate. I guess I need to continue all this wrapping. Then we'll see you later. Alright everyone, here is my finished of my chicken garden spring roll. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okie dokie. See you next time. Happy New Year everyone. God bless.